What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video today. We're back from vacation. It's snowing and well, we have to clean the car again. Light snow today, not as much, easy to clean. Right now it's like -7, -6, pretty good. It's not that cold. I hate parking in these parts. All the slush comes from the cars here, and it just, as a white car, it's the worst because you know your car gets very filthy. Anyone who doesn't have a parking in Montreal will understand this feeling. It's the worst. Alright guys, so welcome back. We're back into our regular scheduled videos. Hope you guys had a great new year. Hope you have new resolutions, new business resolutions. It doesn't have to be vending machine resolutions, it doesn't have to be business oriented, whatever. If you have any personal resolutions that you wish to accomplish in your life, anything, hope you guys are motivated for this upcoming year. I have new upcoming video ideas for you guys coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys are gonna like that. For today, simple vending machine collection. We're gonna just take a look how much the vending machines did during my Christmas trip vacation. Yes, my vending machines, they still do operate even when I'm on vacation. That's one of the benefits of having an automated system like this, which I'm very grateful for. So let's keep it rolling. Before we head to our locations, we're just gonna make a quick stop at Costco. I'm not getting too many products this time. I made sure before I left for vacation to stock up on plenty of products and to leave the machines pretty full. These are pretty funny. They're $9.99. This new product, we're gonna test it out and see if it works. I've sold these in the past and see if it works. Total bill was $115. total for this Costco buying trip.
I also made a quick stop by Dollarama to collect one of these wrappers. I don't know if you guys have issues with depositing money at the bank, but they're always asking to have the little wrappers for the coins, and I just can't find them anywhere. And I prefer the plastic ones because I can reuse them more often, because they usually give it back to you. Some people do, not all of the tellers do give it back to you, but some of them do, and I can reuse them. For the paper ones, they kind of rip, and so they're not very useful. But in Dollarama, I usually get them for $3, I think, $2 if I remember correctly. I'll check my bill afterwards, but yeah, that's usually what I do. And this is what I do to deposit the coins, and it gets really frustrating if you don't have the correct wrapper for the correct coin size, because if not, it's not gonna fit. So as you can guys see from here, the machine is kind of full. It really doesn't represent exactly how empty it was when I just got back from vacation. I wish I could have filmed, but the thing is, I already filled the machine up just a tiny bit the day I came from vacation, just to make sure that the products were there for the customers. But this doesn't really reflect how much it was empty. It was really empty. So sorry I didn't take a picture that day, but there was basically nothing left. But now we're just filling up location number 1, and we'll get right into it. For the cash, same thing. It's just I took all the coins out the first day I came in. So as you can see, there's not much coins there. But the day I came back, it was pretty full. But I'll do a full review of cash collection at the end of this video. And you'll see how much cash was collected. So it was during the 3 weeks, so including that week, so plus the 2 weeks for vacation. I'll show how much cash these machines made.
All right,
Now for the second location. Alright, so we're at the third location. This machine was actually turned off because during my vacation, like, I don't know if you can see there on here, there's like 2 products that got stuck on the side. It sucks. But anyways, I'm here now, so I'm gonna get them unstuck and we're gonna fill this machine up. At least this one is working now, so this one helps me and sells. So let's go. realized actually for location number 4 that these brownies were actually not in good condition anymore. So actually, after checking them, it seems that for one of these products, I forgot to remove them. The expiry date was completely passed. So had to remove every single one of these, and afterwards I reimbursed the customer and also gave him a free chocolate. Sometimes it will happen to you guys. It's not always perfect. You always see that as well in grocery stores. Some products might be expired and they're still on the shelves. We try our best, of course, to have these things not happen, but at the end of the day, we're still human. We all make mistakes, but we try our best to always go for the right thing and as well not sell expired products. And I don't want to get anyone sick, so of course it's very important to do that, guys, and try to do that as well. For this location, it's a bit normal for that to happen to me because since it's a new location, it's new products, I'm not really sure exactly what sells.
This machine is the only one I didn't do. So the cash you see here is the cash for 3 weeks, which is really, really good. Except for that ripped bill, which sucks. But you can actually get ripped bills exchanged actually at the National Bank, Canadian National Bank, and also any bank in Montreal. Like let's say you have TD, National Bank, BMO, they can actually take those ripped bills and you can have them exchanged for new ones. I did in fact try once and they gave me a new one. Now I decided to film just a little bit downtown because I had to go actually I know it sounds bougie, but I had to go repair my AirPods because they were quite damaged. So we went downtown and we passed by the Apple store to get them fixed. I decided to show a little bit of how downtown looks during the night, during winter time. I really like how Montreal looks during winter time at night. It's really nice, especially during Christmas time when there's those Christmas lights and everything. I don't know, it just feels nice, and I really like it. I like the city in general. It's awesome. People are great. But yeah, so I decided to film a little bit of these parts. Hope you guys like.
And that's it for today's video. Was pretty good. A lot of cash and vending machines filled up. It was really nice. Now we're just gonna let you guys know for the total for that week collection, which was after my Christmas vacation. So for the credit card and debit sales, the machines did really, really good. It was $333 just for credit and debit, which was really, really nice. Again, this was credit and debit sales only for 2 weeks. Now for the cash collection, it's a bit different. Now for the cash, it was a total of $440, but for 3 weeks, which brings the total to $923 plus the 1 week for credit card sales for a total of $150. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.